iShot. Plug and fire. Let's light it up.
Good evening, Cobra-Con attendees. How's everybody doing tonight? From all of us at Spirit of 76 and the 76 Pro line, we would like to thank you for attending tonight's demo of the iShot system. iShot is a revolutionary new way of setting up single shots that is up to 15 times faster than traditional methods. All of the single shots in tonight's show were set up in just a few minutes by the attendees of today's iShot seminar. They spent a lot more time talking about how fast the setup was than actually doing the setup. Some even popped the tubes out and plugged them back in just to do it twice. We appreciate all of your very, very easy work. Spirit of 76 carries a full lineup of iShot compatible single shots, including affordable options from China, as well as premium no debris products from Italy. iShot igniters are made by MJG using the Firewire formula, which means there are no ATF requirements. iShot is completely compatible with the Cobra firing system, and 76 Pro line offers pre-assembled racks that are proudly designed and built in the USA by the best in the business, Craigco. Components are also available to build your own racks or custom configurations. The future of fireworks is here, and it's iShot. Too good to be true? We promise it's not. Learn more at 76proline.com/iShot. We'd like to thank Dan Haines and his team from Astro Magic FX for making this demo happen. We'd also like to thank all of you for supporting Spirit of 76 and the 76 Pro line. Please enjoy this brief finale.
You watch those nature documentaries on the cable?
Yeah.
You see the one about lions?
Yeah.
Get this lion. He's the king of the jungle. Huge mane out there. He's laying down under a tree in the middle of Africa. He's so big. He's so hot. He doesn't want to move. Now, the little lion comes. They start messing with him. Biting his tail, biting his ears. He doesn't do anything. The lioness, she starts messing with him. Coming over. Making trouble. Still, nothing. Now, the other animals, they notice this. And they start to move in. The jackals. Hyenas. They're barking at him, laughing at him. They nip his toes and eat the food that's in his domain. They do this, and they get closer and closer and bolder, till one day, that lion gets up and tears the shit out of everybody. Runs like the wind.